Welcome to the Quotum Studio video. Today I'm gonna show you quickly how to do as we call Mickey Mouse ears on the hubs. Very often you have to do internal corners on the hubs round it. This is due to the regulations that different companies, different stone manufacturers have. So let me quickly show you what I mean by Mickey Mouse ears, and I'll show you how to make them on the Quotum Studio. Here we go. This is the drawing of the standard kitchen, and let me show you what are the Mickey Mouse ears are. As you can see here, this will help us to have the hub. Sometimes the hub is like a Miller hubs. There are very little overlapping the cutouts, usually about a couple of mils. So we have to have the internal corners done this way. On the Vecton, you should have internal corners minimum rounded for 10 millimeters radius. So definitely won't fit. Using the Mickey Mouse internal corners, that solve the problem, because if I will fillet that sharp fillet, you can see we are still within the tolerance, if I can say that. So how to do that in the Quotum Studio? So let's remove first all these corners. I will leave them all. I will fill this sharp fillet. That's what we initially have, unless you've got the already dropping with the Mickey Mouse corners. So how to do quickly internal corner? You need to go into the edit fillet. Let's use the radius 10 millimeters. We're gonna keep the existing corner. This way we have that corner done. Now you can select from a toolbox, move snap point, select the line you've drawn with a 10 millimeters radius, snap point, move that snap point to the end, and now we just need to fillet using, you can use the sharp line or we can use the 5 millimeters radius, replace existing fillet, upload, and then you selecting the end, selecting the other end. Now we have quickly done internal corners Mickey Mouse style. So this is how easy and quick you can do Mickey Mouse internal corners using the Quotum Studio. So if you like this kind of videos, share, like, leave the comments if you want to see some special functions we have in the Quotum Studio. More videos is coming. I'll see you soon.